How to drive a car in USA. Obtain a valid driver's license from your state department of motor vehicle. To get a license, you will need to pass a written test on traffic laws, a vision test, and a driving test. Make sure you understand the traffic laws and signs such as speed limits, stop signs, yield signs, and traffic signals. Before starting the car, adjust your seat mirrors and fasten your seat belt. Start the car and check the surroundings for any pedestrians or the vehicles. Put the car in gear and begin driving. Use your signals when turning or changing lanes, obey speed limits and follow the flow of traffic. Continuously check your mirrors for other cars and keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. Follow the road signs and obey traffic laws at all times. Always be prepared to react to unexpected situations and always keep an eye on the road. Remember to always wear your seat belts and make sure all passengers do as well. Always be aware of other drivers on the road and be prepared to react to unexpected situations.